report. Eric Bolling's son's autopsy completed. Ex-Fox News host Eric Bolling's son's autopsy has been completed, but the coroner's office in Boulder, Colorado, won't reveal the cause of death for another 6 to 8 weeks. Eric Chase Bolling, 19, was found dead in an apartment building in Boulder Friday, the Boulder County Coroner's Office said. An investigator with the coroner's office, without revealing Bolling's cause of death, said the office would continue to investigate the case. The elder Bolling confirmed his son's death in a tweet Saturday and said in another post that there was no sign of self-harm at this point. Dad-son Colorado Easter weekend. A true blessing, Bolling tweeted in April. Northern Valley Regional High School at Demarest, New Jersey, Eric Chase's alma mater, had grief counselors at the school Monday. The district is deeply saddened by the passing of Eric. He had a lot of good relationships here at the school, Northern Valley Regional High School District Superintendent James Santana said in a statement to NJ.com. As a district, we wish to communicate to the Bollings that they are in our thoughts and prayers, he said. Anytime we lose a graduate, it hurts the community, Santana continued. The younger Bolling's death came after Fox News axed his father over sexual harassment allegations. A HuffPost report said Bolling had texted photos of his genitalia to 3 female colleagues. Bolling has denied the claims and is now suing the HuffPost reporter for $50 million. Sources told TMZ that Eric Chase was going through emotional torture because of his father's firing from the network.